guys are actually watching this video right now, huh? Alright, well, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my first official vlog. First of all, if you're watching, thank you. This is definitely something super out of my comfort zone because I'm usually the one behind the camera, not in the front. So I can't promise you that these vlogs are gonna be amazing in the beginning, but I can promise you that they will get better in time. So stick around for the journey. So with that being said, I don't want to drag this intro too long. Let's get straight into it. Thing on? Yeah. Morning, guys. Right now we are docked off at the Coral Reef Yacht Club over by Coconut Grove. Yesterday we tried making the trip over to Bimini and it was bad. It was like 5-foot seas. Girls were tumbling all over the boat. So we basically had to turn around, but today we're actually gonna give it a try. Try to head over there one more time. We'll see what happens. What you doing there?
Putting fuel in. You know, making sure that we make it.
This is what they make me do. So as soon as I'm done being an OnlyFans photographer, I gotta earn my keeps around the boat, help out with the lines, whether we're docking, anchoring, etc. Stuff like that. And hold on one second, let me pause the video real quick. I forgot to mention to you guys that this was my first time vlogging, so I didn't record myself as much explaining to you guys, the viewers, what we were doing, where we were going, etc. But like I said, it's my first time, I will get better. But for now, you're just gonna have to enjoy this annoying ass voice in the background of the video. I don't like it either. As soon as we got to Bimini, we docked off and then we went to rent some golf carts to basically show the girls around the island. I'm going in tonight.
I'm going in tonight. Hey.
Damn, Allie doesn't know the words because she's not on TikTok anymore. That's the wiener.
Aren't you supposed to eat something?
I think you're supposed to eat the wiener. Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
The only time you'll see me eating a wiener.
What did he say?
Delicious.
Salty, uncooked pasta.
Slightly al dente.
What's the label? Let's flip.
Oh!
I need to retry. I dropped it.
She dropped it.
I want to remember what it tasted like.
Good dog.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to break down what happened the rest of the day as quick as possible. Here we go. We ate some conch from Joe's Conch Shack, drove over to the other side of the island, ate some more conch and a little bit of corn. We found a bar that had some good music. We had a local make us a drink in a coconut. We drank and hugged the coconut. A local really posed for the camera, took a group picture and more pictures and more pictures. And Allie, what are you doing? Drove over to the shipwreck, did some parkouring, saw the shipwreck, and then we fell asleep. people know where we're going.
To sleep.
No.
On a lawn chair until our first model shows up.
We are currently on our way to the boat to grab some of the equipment. And then from there, take a golf cart over to the beach where we're gonna be shooting. This is a very close angle.
First floor.
This is why I need a wide lens. I was gonna be awake.
I don't even know how to jam feathers, man. Stop shooting.
Wow. Okay, we just got to the location. This is a brand new part of the beach. It's called the Beach Club. It's brand new. We haven't shot here before yet. Wrong. We actually have shot here before, but it was in 2019 when they were in the process of building the brand new Beach Club. Okay, back to the vlog. But looks like today we're gonna be breaking it in. Yeesh. Yeesh. Set this bad boy up right here. One here. Turn a little bit. Turn a little bit. The other way. You're gonna come back. There you go. Got mom doing BTS. Danielle. Alright, we just got done shooting on the beach, and now we're gonna transition over to these little cabanas. Super dope vibe right here. And now we're gonna shoot Sloan. This is gonna be her second shot. They usually do 3 bikinis, so she's got one more. Mama, how'd it work? Sada.
Sabra.
Sada.
Sabra.
Sada. This is art in the making. For anyone wondering how we get those wet looks and not look like a wet rat.
I have to say, I just saved a life and still come out of the ocean looking great.
Back your shoulders.
Got Danny waiting. Are you excited? We ready?
Yes.
We're out here ready. Ginny. Camera. Sheesh. Oh my. Look at that fit today. Oh, the fit's
Custom made, you know.
custom made. This is great.
This is Gucci.
Oh.
Just for Bimini. Hashtag Bimini Bliss. Hashtag South Florida Hooters. Hashtag Hooters. Hashtag Bimini. Hashtag 2022 Hooters Calendar.
Yup. That's it. Those are the hashtags, baby. How about the man behind the camera taking all these pictures? Give it up for Junie, everybody. Oh.
Oh wait, no.
Oh. Sheesh.
Got the homie Sarah over here.
Woo!
Got the wifey. Got Tara.
Tara! It's Tara!
It's Tara.
Tara!
We're about to shoot the homie right here
Woo!
on this beautiful chair. Show him how it's done. Yep, just like that. All right, scholars, the last model of the day. Scholar, say what up.
What up?
And we got Tara.
Tara!
Tara,
Welcome to my crib.
welcome to my YouTube
Welcome
channel.
to my YouTube channel.
Make sure you.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Thank you. She did it all for me. No, I don't have to say it. Your right hand? Yeah.
Here we are. What? It's a little bright. We're shooting behind the scenes. Seems to be snack time around this hour.
Breakfast with Champions. Torquay night, welcome to Resorts World Bimini. We're shooting for the 2022 Hooters Calendar.
Little Bimini blue.
Crazy. Ella, 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 A, A, A.